Yes, hi, good morning sa lahat.
Mayang buntag.
Yeah. You say, Daddy?
Mayang buntag.
Guys, pupunta po kami sa airport kasi alis na kami dito sa lugar ng parents niya, dito sa Belgium. At yeah, ito yung pinakamahirap na this is the very difficult saying goodbye. Yeah, but we should go forward and think positive, okay? Guys, ito yung road nila dito. Ipapakita ko yung road nila. At yeah, ang mga tao dito talagang may rules. At gusto ko nung malaman ninyo kung anong tawag dito, yung klase ng road nila na talagang may speed limit. Ito po, guys. I cannot think. I'm not used to do vlog. So ito yung dadaanan namin. Siguro may 2.3 kilometer pa kaming pupuntahan papuntang airport, Brussels airport. Ayan, guys.
This one.
Go straight.
Right here. We must go the highway, but the real highway, not the Philippine highway.
Yeah?
You will see in a few minutes.
Makikita natin mga ilang minuto lang. Ayan, wala na naman. So guys, stay tuned lang kayo sa video namin para makita ninyo kung paano kami mag-travel going back to home for the Philippines. Ayan, guys. So sana po magustuhan po ninyo yung video ko ngayon. At please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the star and the bell so that you are update to my YouTube videos and vlogs. Ayan, guys. May speed limit kasi dito, guys. 70 ano lang speed limit. Yan yung nakakaganda ng Belgium. Kasi hindi kayo pwedeng dadaan dun sa right, sa left side, sa right side, kasi bawal yun. At saka ito lang yung daan nila, bawal kasi yung sa right side, dapat left lang. Kung hindi naman siguro hindi naman siguro posibleng mag-overtake ka nito kasi yung speed limit lang is 70. Overtake pa ka pa. Oh my god. Ayan, no, may sign na bawal. Daming sign dito ay. How many population you have?
About 11 million.
11 million. And then I see the news yesterday. It was the multa of the speed limit.
6 million speed limit multas.
6 million
in
around. Around in 1 year. Lahat doon multa yon kasi lakas ng speed limit nila, malakas.
But also traject control.
Traject control din yung parang
they measure
your speed
between 2 points.
2 points daw. Oo.
When you drive too fast,
Yan po. May yung traject control yung sa kotse mo eh. Kaya oo. Ang nakakaganda dito, lahat ng my god, yung kotse na gusto ko, yung Mercedes, yung Audi, yung Volvo, my god, lahat nandito. Yan, Volvo yun. MAN yan, my god.
Man.
Yan, Renault. Ito sa amin, to eh, Juke, Nissan Juke to. Ito yung namin, narentahan. At yung asphalt dito, hindi talaga fake. Yung totoong asphalt talaga.
Take the exit on the right.
Very soft.
Very soft and hindi mo marinig yung takbo ng kotse mo kasi
We go to the highway.
kasi talagang totoong asphalt to.
Keep
Hindi
left
to
after
fake na
500
asphalt
meters
na
and continue to follow the
maulanan,
E40.
hindi. Maulanan, ma-absorb to na asphalt eh. Ayan. Doon na tayo sa highway guys. Parang 120 ata yung speed limit dito sa 120 sa highway. Ayan. Kaya sa lahat po ng
Keep next left.
gustong malaman kung anong experience po na mag-travel dito sa Belgium, ito na po yung video na nakita ninyo para malaman po kung paano sila mag-travel. Ayan. Yung mga big trucks. Talagang ang ano pa ng mga gulong nito, mga bago pa. Ayan oh. Hindi kagaya ng Pilipinas. Dadaan sa harap ng bahay mo, ma-explode yung gulong nila. Ito hindi ka matakot. At guys, yung highway nila walang tirahan na nasa gilid, bawal. Wala talaga guys. Oh. Highway talaga na, totally highway. Wala kang makikita na bahay dyan. You don't see any kind of houses here, right?
No houses here.
No houses here. Yan po. Pero ito yung lugar na puros corn. Ang dami ng field nila para magtanim. Ang lawak-lawak, my god. Kahit anong tanim mo dito talagang
On the highway here, only coaches who can drive more than 70 km/h. No motorcycles are allowed. Just heavy motorcycles who drive minimum 70.
So, ayan guys, update ko po kayo kung doon na kami sa Brussels Airport. So, ito lang po muna kasi mahaba na. 7 minutes ang bilis ng oras. Ayan guys, thank you po at click the subscribe and bell for notification for my new videos. At comment below kung ano pa yung gusto po ninyo matignan or yung video na gusto po ninyong subukan kong mag-vlog. Ayan. Bye-bye, Daddy!